Well, hi there, David here, and welcome aboard Wild Goose Adventures. Got a little bit something different to do this time. I'm heading off to Sydney. I originally set this time aside to go and do a foiling story, and I was going to do a halter foiling on the way down, but alas, my feet didn't want to do it. It's not letting me get in the water, and so I had to change my plans. So I bought the push bike, and we're here at Wollongong on the base of Mount Warning to do this fantastic trail I've heard about that you see behind me. Apparently it's 24 kilometres long either way, it's flat and it should be fun. So let's sheet on and give it a go. The Northern Rivers Rail Trail is one of many opening around the country, converting old railway lines into bike, walking and riding trails of various lengths. As the day heated up, the natural cover from the trees made for lovely riding conditions, and the scenery was spectacular. Time for a break. I didn't go all the way. I made it 12k and I've started to head back. Had to stop for coffee and a bite to eat at Stoker's Siding, which is just on the way, right on the trail. One of the reasons to turn back was some menacing clouds gathering to the south. That's it. We've done this part of the start of the rail trail, and what a mighty effort it was. We're here at the other end, and by the big moo-moo, the roadhouse, and look at their motorbike. As it turned out, discretion was definitely the better part of valour, and I was thankful and dry. The morning broke clear and I was able to enjoy my vista at Karua. I'm down here on the central coast of New South Wales and I'm just going to pay my tributes. Mum's best friend and cousin, she passed away last week, and she was a good friend of Mum's, and the family were brilliant to Mum. So I thought I'd come down here and just pay my condolences. I spent the day with Les and even managed a small ride, taking in the waterway that was so special to us all. So I might just... Thank you. Thank you. Wow, what a sad day. Glenn was such a remarkable person and such a good friend to Mum. She's certainly going to be missed. My heart goes out to the Rossiter family. I'm here at Swansea. This used to be once, I thought, one of the prime foiling spots. Probably sup foiling, but it's such a lovely spot. Years before that, we would sail in here and we would sail through to Lake Macquarie. This is where we spent our first Christmas with Cooper. A lovely, lovely spot. We're going to stand by because we have some new adventures coming up. You might remember Beck, a friend of mine, we went to Cairns. We've done a few things that are pretty cool together. We're going to go down to Wollongong. We're going to see Xavier Rudd, and we've also got a little surprise coming up for her birthday. Let's sheet on and head into it. Good morning. We're here in Wollongong. It's a beautiful morning. The sun's rising and we're going to go for a skydive. So let's sheet on and get into it. Skydiving. We're about to get into it. How are you feeling?
Very excited. Can't wait.
It's going to be a cool thing to do, isn't it? The flight was spectacular. The jump, it was awesome. But the view, it was all-consuming.
mate. Thank you so much. Hope to see you again, eh?
So skydiving this morning, Xavier Rudd tonight. Looking forward to it.
Belong here and we deserve follow the sun, which way the wind blows, this day's come.
Well, what a great night. Xavier Rudd is a legend. He was fantastic. Great musician, great entertainer. But now, it's time to go home. So I'll leave this beautiful place, this beautiful country, and we're on our way. I had one last stop on the way. It was to visit Roger, and of course he took me for a ride. We made our way past the city and up into the bush, into the historic site of what was the Inn's homestead. Now a historic wreck, but still so significant. And all the original fireplaces. Well, I'm home. A week or so away has been awesome. We've had some fantastic experiences and caught up with some unreal people. I particularly want to thank Rebecca. I don't see her often, and she's always up for the antics that I can provide and offer. I also want to pay tribute to Glenn Harvey. She was a fantastic friend and a mentor to Mum. And I'm sure there's a lot of birds and a lot of bird life around the National Park in Sydney. They're also incredibly thankful for her hard work. That's it for this episode of Wild Goose Adventures. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed all the things that we did. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. That would be totally awesome. And until next time, smooth sailing.